What's up, rock stars? It's Sam Becker with I Am Capable, and I am so excited to share with you something that I've been working on for a little bit now. It's a series right here on YouTube based around fear and the different types of fears as well. So what I'll be sharing with you are things related to fear of flying, vulnerability, fear of failures, or failure, I should say. The more topics that people don't really talk about as much. And in this playlist, I am excited because I get to go over some tips and tricks, but I also get to go behind more of the psychology based around behind it. It's come to my attention that there is a lot of different types of fears that are circulating around the world in our minds, and I feel like there's just a lot of lack of real, raw help to overcome them, like real sides of real people like myself that have fears that have overcome them. And what I don't want to do is offer a band-aide solution like other videos might. What I want to do is dissect the root cause of why we're having these fears to help us not only understand them, but maybe even fix them for good. There's a lot of tips and tricks out there, and that's what I'm going to be offering you as well. But I feel like when you combine the understanding and the knowledge behind it with the tips and tricks, I feel like it can be a very powerful thing that can ultimately just change your life. I also want to address the fact that I'm not a psychologist and I'm not a therapist. But what I am is a person just like you that has everyday stress, worries, fears, anxiety. And I'm just someone that took the time to work on my own mental health. And what I want to do is give that back to you guys and share the things that have worked for me in hopes that they will also be useful for you as well. So if you do have any topics based around fear that you would like me to go over, this is your chance to comment down below. If you prefer a more anonymous way of contacting me, you can reach me by email right here, or you can contact me through DMs on Instagram right there. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. Drop me a like if you are excited as well. I can't wait. Tomorrow is the kickoff for episode 1. So stay tuned, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Bye.